Seniors, you'll never sleep peacefully again if you keep doing this at night. Have you ever tossed and turned in bed, unable to fall asleep, even though you were exhausted? You're not alone. Many seniors over 60 find themselves staring at the ceiling night after night, wondering what's gone wrong. Sleep used to come naturally. Now, it feels like a battle. And the worst part? You wake up feeling tired, foggy, and drained. It's not just frustrating, it steals your energy, weakens your immune system, and affects your mood, memory, and even your heart. But what if the real cause isn't aging? What if a simple nighttime mistake, something you're doing without even realizing, is silently ruining your sleep? In this video, we'll uncover 5 common things seniors often do before bed that block restful sleep. You may think these habits are harmless, or even helpful, but they could be the very reason your nights feel restless and your days feel exhausting. Before we begin, tell us in the comments, where are you watching from today? What health issue are you currently facing? Before we dive in, we've also uploaded some helpful sleep-related material inside a free senior health app, including trackers and simple guides. The link is in the description and pinned comment if you'd like to check it out. 5. Watching TV or phone screens right before bed. Many seniors love ending their day by watching TV or scrolling through their phones. It feels relaxing, familiar, and harmless. But the truth is, those glowing screens may be stealing your sleep. Every screen, whether it's a TV, tablet, or phone, emits a type of light called blue light. This light tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime, even when it's late at night. When that happens, your brain stops making melatonin, the natural hormone that helps you feel sleepy. So even though your body is tired, your brain stays alert. And instead of drifting into deep sleep, you lie awake, tossing, turning, and waiting for rest that won't come. This becomes especially dangerous for seniors, whose melatonin levels naturally decrease with age. And if you're watching news or crime shows before bed, your mind stays on high alert, flooded with stressful thoughts. That alone can raise your blood pressure and heart rate, making it even harder to relax. To fix this, create a peaceful bedtime routine without screens. Try reading a book, listening to calming music, or doing light stretches. It takes just 30 minutes of screen-free time to reset your brain and help sleep return naturally. 4. Drinking, relaxing, herbal teas too late. Herbal teas like chamomile, lavender, and lemon balm are popular nighttime drinks for seniors, and they truly can help you relax. But the timing makes all the difference. Many people drink these teas too close to bedtime, thinking it will help them sleep. But even though these teas are caffeine-free, they're still liquids. And drinking any fluid too late can lead to frequent nighttime bathroom trips, which interrupt your rest. If you're someone who wakes up 2 or 3 times a night to pee, this could be the reason. Interrupted sleep doesn't just make you tired, it affects memory, weakens immunity, raises blood pressure, and worsens kidney and heart health. Also, some herbal blends may contain hidden stimulants, like ginseng or yerba mate, which can have the opposite effect, making your heart race and your brain too active at night. That's why it's important to read the label before drinking any sleep tea. A better plan? Finish your herbal tea at least 90 minutes before bed. That gives your bladder enough time to process the liquid before you lie down. You still get the calming effects, without sacrificing precious sleep. A small change like this can make a huge difference. If you're facing sleepless nights, restless legs, or frequent nighttime urination, and you're over 60, this may be your warning sign. Thousands of seniors are already using a free health app that gives them simple tools to track symptoms, avoid risky foods, and feel supported every day. You'll find the link in the description and pinned comment. Don't miss it before it's too late. 3. Falling asleep in the living room. it happens all the time, especially for seniors. You sit on your favorite recliner after dinner, watch a little TV, and before you know it, you've dozed off. It feels comforting, even natural. But this habit can quietly ruin your sleep cycle. When you fall asleep on the couch under bright lights and loud background noise, your brain doesn't fully shift into deep rest. You might wake up after 30 to 60 minutes feeling groggy, disoriented, or even wired, making it harder to fall back asleep once you move to your bed. This pattern throws off your natural sleep rhythm. Instead of one long stretch of healing sleep, your night gets broken into bits and pieces, reducing the time you spend in deep, restorative stages of rest. Plus, falling asleep in an upright position with your neck bent can trigger back pain, neck stiffness, and even acid reflux. Over time, this can make it harder to fall asleep comfortably in bed, leading to a cycle of poor posture and chronic discomfort. The best approach? Set a gentle alarm or reminder after dinner to move into your bedroom at a regular time. Create a calm, cool, quiet environment, and train your body to associate your bed with true rest. 2. Taking afternoon naps that are too long. A quick nap after lunch can feel like a blessing. It gives your body a break and helps you feel refreshed, especially for seniors who wake up early or have low energy in the afternoon. But if that nap stretches too long, it starts to backfire. The human body operates on a natural rhythm called the circadian cycle. It tells your brain when to be alert and when to rest. When you nap for more than 30 to 40 minutes in the afternoon, your brain enters a deeper stage of sleep. That may feel good in the moment, but it makes it harder to fall asleep at night, especially for those over 60. Long naps also confuse your sleep hormones. Your body thinks it already had its main rest, so it produces less melatonin at bedtime. That means more time lying awake in bed, frustrated and restless. If you feel the need to nap, keep it short and sweet, ideally between 15 to 30 minutes. And make sure it's done before 3 p.m. That gives your body enough time to build up natural sleep pressure again before bedtime. The goal is to restore energy, not rob your night's rest. 1. Eating late-night snacks or heavy dinners. Many seniors enjoy a light snack before bed, maybe a piece of fruit, toast, or even cookies with warm milk. Others eat their dinner quite late in the evening. But both habits can cause serious sleep problems. When you eat late, your digestive system stays active for hours, working hard to break down food while your body is trying to rest. This can lead to bloating, gas, indigestion, and even acid reflux, especially if you lie down too soon after eating. Late-night eating also triggers your blood sugar to rise and fall at the wrong times. That leads to energy spikes, crashes, and nighttime wake-ups. And if your dinner contains high-fat or spicy foods, your body temperature may rise, making it harder to cool down and drift off. To sleep better, aim to finish your last meal at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. Choose lighter, easy-to-digest foods, like steamed vegetables, soups, or herbal teas, if you feel hungry in the evening. Your sleep is one of the most powerful tools you have to protect your brain, heart, and immune system. Prioritize it by giving your body the rest it deserves, not the burden of digestion. If you've been struggling to sleep deeply and wake up refreshed, now you know that the problem may not be your age, it could be your habits. Each of the mistakes we talked about today may seem small on their own. But together, they can create the perfect storm for poor sleep, low energy, and declining health. The good news? You don't need to change everything at once. Start with one habit, maybe turning off screens early, limiting naps, or avoiding late snacks, and give your body time to adjust. With a few gentle changes, you may soon notice calmer nights, brighter mornings, and a stronger, more focused mind. To avoid missing warning signs and to stay on a healthy routine, Check the link in the description and pinned comment for the free Senior Health app. It's helping thousands of seniors feel more supported every single day. And as always, before you make any changes to your sleep routine, talk to your doctor. Especially if you have chronic conditions or take medications. You deserve peaceful, healing sleep. Let's work together to help you get there. Sweet dreams.